It's the ultimate Toto poll. Vote for your favorite song. I'm John Bowden from Rock History Book. They're some of the most accomplished musicians of all time. They were a big part of the LA sound, or a big part of everyone's sound. Individual members of Toto have played on over 5,000 albums with, and then there's Thriller. 5 past or present members are all over the album. They brought it up a notch. Interestingly, it was released just 7 months after their big monster Toto 4, the one with 5 singles and 6 Grammy Awards. In late 1978, I was 18 years old. I remember exactly where I was when I heard Hold the Line on the radio. I remember turning around, staring at the speakers of the stereo and thinking, what the heck is that? I didn't even know if there was an album out, but I convinced my dad to drive me 14 miles into town to find the album. And I did find it for $4.99. He wasn't as excited as I was. So we love doing polls, and we love it when you vote. We want you to pick the winners. Pick your top 25 Toto songs. There'll be a link on the bottom of this video where you can vote. So far, we've done Emerson, Lake and Palmer top songs, Glenn Campbell. We're working on Elton John right now from the 70s. By the way, you can still vote on that. There'll be a link on the bottom of this video for that as well. We want you to vote and pick the top Toto songs. And remember, pick up Steve Porcaro's brand new album, which is released next week. It's called Someday, Somehow. I've heard snippets of it. Unbelievable, original member of Toto. So pick that up and vote for your top 25 Toto songs. Make sure you comment on our videos and subscribe to our channel. We'll also check out your videos. I'm John Bowden from Rock History Book.